In today's video, I'll show you how to add an audio wave in Kapwing to make your content more engaging and visually appealing. Start by opening Kapwing Studio in your browser. Once you're inside, create a new project and upload your audio file or video file. If your audio is already part of a video, that's perfectly fine. Kapwing works with both. After uploading, your file will appear on the timeline, which is where all your editing happens. Next, click on the audio track in the timeline to make sure it's selected. This step is important because the waveform effect will apply only to the active audio layer. Once the audio is selected, look to the right side panel where Kapwing shows editing options. In the right sidebar, find the option for Audio Visualizer or Convert to Waveform. Click on it and Kapwing will automatically generate a waveform that visually represents your audio. You'll instantly see the audio wave appear on your canvas, synced perfectly with your sound. You can now adjust the placement and size of the waveform so it fits your design. This visual element works great for podcasts, music tracks, voiceovers, and social media videos because it keeps viewers visually engaged even when there's minimal on-screen motion. After everything looks good, preview your project to make sure the waveform matches the audio timing correctly. Once you're satisfied, export the video in your preferred format. And that's it. You've successfully added an audio wave in Kapwing to give your video a more polished and professional look. Thanks for watching and happy editing.